Can I come inside?
Bye
Can I
bye.
come? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. This is on behalf of me.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
We're very happy to see you.
You wrote something for us.
Yes.
Oh, with the best wishes to doctors, all nurses. Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
I
you,
appreciate
Mr.
it.
Altaf.
And this is nothing else.
Oh,
Come on, come on, come on.
thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Say my regards.
Thank you.
Love.
Thank you.
Best thanks to everyone.
Thank you
You're
so
like a
much.
bride.
You've been lovely.
Stop saying bye.
He's saying bye now.
Give me that envelope. So put it here. So this is.
Wow. Wow.
Read.
Read, okay. With the best wishes to doctors or nurses, paramedical staff and other caring persons who are working at 3 North Cardiac Ward, room 358. You were in 362 before. Of Wellington Hospital, with my love and best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say my regards to everyone.
No, I said to you, you are like my father.
You are like my daughter, lovely daughter. All of you.
Okay, take care.
Take care.
Yeah?
Take care. All the best.
Bye. Bye.
I'm not going. Don't say again without saying goodbye. Again,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
A special thanks from all of us.